Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hollyland channel. I'm Bran, and I'm happy to be here with you today. And this time, I bring you the new member of the Pyro series, Pyro 5. The Pyro 5 is a 5.5-inch wireless monitor that combines a transmitter, receiver, and monitor, all in one compact device. And let's take a quick look at what makes it stand out on set. And here's what you get in the box. And next, I'll walk you through how to use the Pyro 5 and what it can do. And first, let's take a look at how to power the device. The Pyro 5 supports standard DC power supply and an NPF battery, so you've got plenty of options. One of the biggest new features this time is Proxy Recording. It's something completely new to the Pyro lineup. And to use the Proxy Recording feature on the Pyro 5, just follow these steps. First, use an HDMI cable to connect the Pyro 5 to your camera. Next, go to the recording settings on the Pyro 5 and select your camera's brand and model. Then, make sure your camera's recording frame rate matches its HDMI output frame rate. And finally, enable timecode output, IC control, and HDMI control on your camera. The Pyro 5 has two modes, broadcast and non-broadcast. Enter the Pyro 5 system menu, select wireless. Then you can turn on or turn off the broadcast mode. When broadcast mode is on, switching between groups is faster, but it doesn't support monitoring on mobile devices. When broadcast mode is off, the transmitter can connect to up to 2 mobile devices for monitoring, and the transmission distance reaches up to 400 meters. If you want to monitor using the HolyView app, just follow these steps. Enter the Pyro 5 system menu and set it to transmitter mode. Check the Wi-Fi name and password. Then connect your phone to the transmitter's Wi-Fi network. And finally, open the HolyView app and tap Connect. And then you can view the camera's live feed on your phone in real time. To pair the devices, just follow these simple steps. Enter the Pyro 5 system menu. Set both the transmitter and the receiver to the same group. They'll automatically pair once they are in the same group. One transmitter can connect to up to 4 receivers. If you haven't hit that limit yet, you can add new receivers to the same group anytime without interrupting the pairing process. Here's how you can scan the channels on the Pyro 5. Enter the Pyro 5 system menu, tap on Scan. This feature is only available in receiver mode. After scanning, Pyro 5 will display the status of all the channels. The Pyro 5 also comes with a range of image analysis tools. Just tap the screen, and you'll find plenty of features in the menu, like waveform, vector scope, histogram, focus assist, zebra pattern, etc. The Pyro 5 supports RTMP streaming. With RTMP, you can easily go live on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, and more. Just enter your stream key on HolyView, plug in your 4G LTE Wi-Fi modem, and you're ready to stream. The Pyro 5 supports external SD card recording, so you can capture footage while monitoring on site. It helps improve workflow efficiency. You can also save recordings into specific folders, make it easier to manage and organize your files for post-production. Please know that after recording, wait a few seconds before removing the SD card to ensure the data is saved. If the recording doesn't appear, simply reinsert the SD card. Wait a few more seconds and try again. That's all for today's tutorial. For more information, just click the link below to visit our official website. And see you in the next one.